Hello folks, today I'd like to run through the disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly of this Ruger 1022. It's just the synthetic and blue model. There's a little difference in most of them that don't have a lot of bolt-ons, add-ons. This is just the stock standard 1022. To get the firing mechanism and barrel out of the stock takes 2 screws. It's all that holds it in there. There's one right by where the magazine goes in. Let's see if we can get zoomed up on it. That screw. And then there's another on the barrel band. And all it takes is a standard or flat tip screwdriver. And we loosen this screw up here. And this one has a metal band on it. Some of them have a polymer or plastic. You just need to loosen it up real good. And you loosen that up good. And then this one's a little tough, but it slides right off the end. We're going to take it off and lay it aside. Now the next screw is the one that holds the works in. There's not a lot to taking it out either. Just take your standard screwdriver, loosen this screw, and it won't come all the way out unless, well, you can get it out with some work, but usually when it stops backing out, it's loose. Now, we're this far. Now, I typically center up the safety as best you can, because it'll hang up on one side or the other. It seems to come out a little better. And then you just apply pressure from the barrel to the stock, and it'll pop loose. And you just lift it out. Now the stock we're not so concerned with because it doesn't get all that dirty. It's all the inner workings that gets dirty. And that is what makes the firearm right there. The barrel and the receiver and trigger group, I guess you can call it. That's the disassembly. This far. We'll set it back up and take it a little further in the next step.